afternoon, Rishi fell down. His mother took him home and prepared an ointment. For that she used aloe vera gel, turmeric and mixed them well. His mother applied the paste on the wound. Instead of the word miss, we can use another word. Is it blind? Yes, correct. Same way, we can learn many letters. B sounds B. L sounds L. Together they sounds bl. C sounds K. R sounds R. Together they sounds Kr. Same way we can learn letters. Thank you. Welcome.
Lily, shall we play a game? Yes, Samhita. I will do the action. You have to find out the word. It sounds interesting. Yes,